Hello dear ones. Mumbai city is on a heavy rain alert. Many parts of the city are getting between 250 to 300 mm of rainfall each day, which is considered very heavy rainfall. And many areas have even received more than 400 mm, making this one of the city's highest recorded rainfall events. By the way, this is not a weather report. During the monsoon, always love exploring Mumbai's beautiful coastlines and beaches. And last week we visited some of them, remember? And today I'm at the southern end of Marine Drive to witness the spectacular waves of the Arabian Sea. So this is the southern end of Marine Drive. You can see that this is where the promenade comes to an end. See? Yeah. So, and this beautiful curve of Marine Drive, you see this curve is called the Queen's Necklace. This is called the Queen's Necklace because after sunset the street lights make it look like a sparkling necklace. That's why it's called the Queen's Necklace. The waves are much gentler now compared to the past few days because it's quite sunny at the moment. The clouds have cleared for now, but they could return at any moment, bringing torrential rain. That is the thing about Mumbai's weather. It is so unpredictable. You can see people sitting on this parapet, this seawall, all the way from here to the other end of Marine Drive, following its iconic curved promenade. Beautiful. And this busy highway running parallel to the promenade with the magnificent Art Deco buildings lining the side makes Marine Drive one of Mumbai's most iconic landmarks. It is where the city's rich architectural heritage meets the breathtaking coastline of the Arabian Sea. And here you can see the Trident Hotel and Air India building. This is the Air India building, among other landmarks. And now we are heading to our next destination, Worli Sea Face. We will catch the bus to Worli Sea Face from the Mantralaya bus stop. And this Mantralaya is the administrative headquarters of the government of Maharashtra, which is just a 5-minute walk from the promenade. So I will catch my bus to Worli Sea Face from there. You can see that white building. That is Mantralaya, the administrative headquarters of the government of Maharashtra. So I will catch my bus from there. But before anything, I need to grab something to eat or drink because I left early this morning and I'm really starving. There are a few food stalls here near Mantralaya. Let me see if I can find something to eat. These are food stalls here. Here I find some interesting snacks. Masala dosa, cheese masala, sour dosa. Okay, I find I like this one, masala dosa. So he's preparing that. So this is my masala dosa for 60 rupees only. The dosa was really good. You won't find a masala dosa for just 60 rupees everywhere. And I'm also very particular about eating at hygienic street food stalls, and this one seems pretty good. So this is my bus to Worli Sea Face from here, from Mantralaya. This is Mantralaya. Yeah, this is Mantralaya stop. And here you find the statue of Jamshedji Tata, widely regarded as the father of Indian industry, standing next to the bus stop. He was a man far ahead of his time. His vision gave rise to some of the country's greatest institutions and businesses. And this is the statue of Mahatma Gandhi in the middle of this beautiful garden next to the road. The pedestrian pathways here are very wide and well maintained, with lots of greenery around. So I got my bus to Worli Naka, not Worli Sea Face. From Worli Naka, I'll have to take another bus or walk from there. My bus is passing through the beautiful streets lined with iconic landmarks such as University of Mumbai, the Bombay High Court, and several others, showcasing magnificent Victorian Gothic architecture that dates back to the British era. And over there is the famous Bombay Gymkhana, one of the oldest and most prestigious private members clubs in Mumbai. And now my bus is passing through one of the oldest markets districts in Mumbai. Just a few minutes ago, we were surrounded by the magnificent Victorian era buildings of South Mumbai, but the scenery has now changed completely. This is the Chira Bazaar area, followed by Thakurdwar, Girgaon and Charni Road, some of the oldest and most vibrant neighborhoods in the city. The streets here are narrow and often heavily congested, lined with aging buildings, many of which are protected heritage structures. You will also find the centuries-old temples, traditional residential buildings, and bustling markets that have been part of Mumbai's history for generations. And now we have joined one of the main roads through Charni Road. Many of the buildings along this route are heritage structures, reflecting Mumbai's rich architectural legacy. And this is the famous Kennedy Bridge, one of the city's oldest road bridges. And it provides an important link towards Tardev and further ahead the Haji Ali area. As the journey continues, the scenery gradually shifts from the narrow historic streets of South Mumbai to wider roads and more modern neighborhoods, while still preserving glimpses of city's colonial past. And now we have reached Haji Ali Circle, one of the busiest and most congested junctions in South Mumbai. And this road leading from Haji Ali towards Worli Naga is called Lala Lajpat Rai Road. Running alongside it is Mumbai's modern coastal road. So after about 40 minutes on the bus, I'm at Worli Naka, Worli Naka or Worli Junction. Naka means junction. Worli Sea Face is just around the corner, only 10 minutes walk from here. So I don't need to take another bus to get there. So let's go. So this is the Worli Naka. Worli is one of the high-end areas of South Mumbai. Here you'll find the several high-end luxurious skyscrapers as well as old dilapidated buildings waiting for redevelopment. So this is the Worli Naka or Worli Junction. So friends, after a 10-minute walk from Worli Naka, I met to Worli Sea Face, another famous port in South Mumbai, to witness the monsoon fury of the Arabian Sea. But today there hasn't been any rain so far, but it was not like this until yesterday. It had been raining continuously for several days, bringing strong winds and huge waves along Mumbai's coastline. But today, no rain. I don't know why, but the sky is cloudy, overcast. Worli Sea Face is one of Mumbai's most iconic waterfronts. In recent years, this area has undergone a remarkable transformation with the development of the Mumbai Coastal Road. And there is still a lot of work to be completed. You can see these unfinished structures all around here, especially where I am right now. I think this area will eventually be transformed into a garden or some other public space. Now let's enter the promenade through this underground pedestrian subway. There are several such subways along the coastal road connecting both sides. Since vehicles are not allowed to stop on the coastal highway and there are no pedestrian crossings, these subways provide the only safe way for people to get from one side to the other. And finally, I am at the gorgeous Worli Sea Face. The waves are gentle today, thanks to the lighter rain, or rather no rain at all compared to the last few days. See, the waves are calm and gentle today, It feels as though the Arabian Sea has taken a break from its wild monsoon mood. The restless roar has faded into a soft whisper, creating a peaceful atmosphere that is perfect for simply standing here and taking it all in. This 7.5 kilometers long promenade, stretching from Priyadashini Park in the south to Worli Sea Face, this Worli Sea Face in the north, runs alongside the high-speed coastal road. It has quickly become a popular destination for walkers, joggers, cyclists, and anyone who simply wants to sit back and enjoy the stunning views of the Arabian Sea. And on this coastal road, traffic flows smoothly and continuously while the Arabian Sea remains calm and peaceful alongside it. It's a beautiful contrast where the serenity of nature meets the fast pace of the city. These towering sea bridges, the soothing sound of the waves, and the constant flow of traffic make this place truly special. It's where the fast pace of Mumbai meets the calmness of the Arabian Sea, creating a view that's both lively and peaceful. Just because today is rain-free doesn't mean that the monsoon is over. This is just the beginning. The rains will continue through August and September and even into the first week of October. So I'm expecting more torrential rain across Mumbai and in Maharashtra in general because I love the rain, I love the monsoon, and I don't like Mumbai summer at all. It's so horrible. Summer is so horrible in Mumbai. You can see the beautiful view of this Bandra-Worli Sea Link from here. This is the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. Amazing. So friends, that's all for today. I'll see you again next week at the same time. And don't forget to check out my video Heavy Friday at 5:45 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. And I'm happy that I'm wrapping up a bit early today. Otherwise, I usually continue filming until 6:37 p.m. or sometimes even until 9 p.m. So, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Take care. Now the time is 3 p.m. only. I'll take a metro train from here to CSMT station. That's more convenient for me than bus. So this is a metro station here in Worli called Acharya Atre Chowk metro station. It's a fully underground metro line, also called Aqua Line. I've shown details of this metro line in my previous videos, so please check out if you don't know. Now I am at CSMT station. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.